making the dough, I thought I was recording it, but I wasn't. So I'm going to explain it. I'm not very good at explaining, but actually, one thing, I'll just read from the recipe book what they say. So what does the recipe book say? It says, turn your risen dough out onto this tray. It will begin to sag and flatten, so using oiled hands, fold it in half, and then half again. Notice how it holds its shape. You did a lot better job explaining it than what I did, so yeah, that's what you need to do. So after 20 to 25 minutes in the oven, you'll get something that looks a little bit like this. Nice and golden brown on top, and barely, it won't have risen much in the oven. You want it to be quite shallow, probably around 2 to 3 centimeters thick when it comes out. And you'll notice that it's a very close crumb structure with a few bigger air bubbles, but yeah, what a delicious rosemary and rock salt focaccia you will have hopefully have made. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please press the like button below. It will mean a lot to me. And also, if you fancy it, you could do a little subscribe to the channel, to the channel. Just press that little subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. So thank you, and happy baking, and enjoy some focaccia.